Welcome to Money Pit Boating. I'm Coots and that's Mark, and today is the day.
Oh, dude! I just hurt my back.
Or is it?
Yeah. No! Dude, I tried lifting up on it, and it was just like boom. I felt a thing like roll over a knuckle in my back.
Oh, great!
Oh my god!
We're gonna take 5.
Yeah.
Well, my man may have crippled himself for the day, but we're still gonna see.
We're trying.
2 of us together are like 3/4 of a regular dude, so we should be able. The plan is to take both of these down because we won't be able to fit underneath the bridge. So after we get them down, we can use the other boat to tow this boat into a more sailable open area, and we'll sail if we can get the masts out.
Dude, it literally felt the best it has in like 2 weeks.
Masts down.
Man down.
Yeah. Now we're on to the yoga phase of the plan.
I'm just trying anything.
A little bit of quick maneuvering, and now we got the sail barge tied off to the side of our boat so we can get the towing done as soon as Mark gets done pooping. Okay, yep, gotta get low. And now you see why we had to take our masts down and why none of our boats are 2-story. Barely made it alive. Here we are at the sailing area. Roll that footage from yesterday. Here we are at Shady Side Park. We plan on doing laps around this big open area here. With this wind, I think we'd be able to get hauling. Mark's a little too banged up to work the sailboat today, or else we'd be out here. Yeah, so there's the spillway. It says underwater dam boats prohibited. How much of a law is that? Is that more of a suggestion? Please, if anyone knows in the comments, how serious is that sign? We're back. All right, time for Mark to do a bunch of physical labor. Gotta get these masts back in place. Okay, it is getting kind of windy.
I know.
If you could start rotating up. All right, go down. It's in.
Wiggles. You can hear the gust.
Yeah.
Kind of scary. This is a pain in the dick.
Kind of in.
Yeah. That seems like it's really messed up. A little more.
Got both of the masts up. Starting to get hit by the gusts. Mark's still crippled.
Yeah. So this thing is what we're supposed to be pulling for that thing to go up.
Something's tangled.
Yeah. There.
Look at that.
We don't need it tight right now.
I'm allowed to observe its beauty that way I want.
Now we just need to get red thing.
I gotta think of a snappy nickname for you that means man who speaks in sentence fragments.
Oh, yeah.
Or are you just speaking in bursts between the pain?
No.
Alright, what's the issue now? What do we need to overcome? Do you have the blue tension line up? There's that. That prevents the sail from going up too high and helps it to stay rigid and catch more wind.
Dude, it's getting gusty.
It's picking up.
I like it.
Oh man, that thing almost clicked me in the face.
Okay, now we want to tie these guys down, like just pull them tight through the little hole thingies. These guys right here. Pull them somewhat tight, then we can get a grasp on where we're at. All right, so now that it's up, look at how bad it looks. Do we tighten these things down a little more?
I think the back one can use some adjusting. The back mast. Mark is the knot master. So Mark rigged up those knots over there so he can adjust the tension on it. Right now, tensioning up this set of lines, and that'll pull this mast forward, and you can see we've eliminated some of that bend. I think it's starting to shape up to look like it's in a good position. Speaking of good positions, how's your spine?
not.
Okay. Look at how long have we had these lines, Mark? About a month or two?
Maybe
three. And look at the damage that the sun can do in that amount of time. These are the same line. It's a good thing this boat was never meant to be permanent because it's already receiving damage. On top of the worn down lines, you can see our rudders are starting to get quite a curve to them. Oh, I just right in the throat. Yeah, this one's got quite a bend to it and a beard.
How does this look? Does it look centered, kind of?
Now it looks like it's leaning too far forward.
Jesus. I think it's okay. Want to try hoisting something and then
Let's try hoisting something. So the big concern today is that these masts are gonna crack in half.
chop our throats.
This is getting intense. We don't even need sails, we could just hold our arms out.
I know, man. It's fucking crazy.
Alright, that's two mostly up.
Do we try the third right now? I'm kind of scared, man. I mean, we gotta. Let's do it.
Yeah, I mean, that's the point, right? This is the culmination of everything.
Yeah.
I think the wind and the current are both coming from the same direction.
Oh, yeah.
We should pull ourselves up to like the bridge. The wind and the current are gonna fling us this way real fast, so I think we should try starting up there.
Just pull the boat that way and see if we can sail that way. I don't know, man.
Are we pulling anchor? Or dragging anchor? Were we always this close to the spillway?
We might be dragging.
Yeah, this is pulling us.
I want to hop in the boat and then drive us way up there.
And so the wind is pulling both of our boats right now into a dangerous position. That's a danger zone over there. If we hit that dam, we're kind of screwed.
Did you pull anchor?
No. Here, you take the wheel.
That's a great idea. Yeah. Yeah. There's the camera. Set course for the bridge.
Here we go. We don't have a plan yet, so what's your plan?
Don't have one. And I was thinking it's like we release me and then you kind of stand around on here and film me and then like move this boat as needed.
That works. Hey, he's the one on that boat. I'm safe here, whatever.
All right, I'm gonna jump.
You're untied?
Yeah.
Is the back untied?
Yeah.
So you're completely free?
Yeah.
Have hit it, Hoss. I want to get turned around. Oh wow, we're definitely gonna crash into each other at some point today. Bye!
Going back.
It looks so cool though. I'll tell you, this lake that we scouted out here, it looked a lot bigger yesterday. Look at him cut across, that's not bad. That front mast is looking a little iffy.
This is intense right here. I can go side to side.
Sure. Alright, let's tug him up and reset.
We're good. Tug to safety.
Oh, Marky.
What's up?
What's going on?
Tugging a sailboat. Well, it looks real cool.
Dude, it looked real cool from where I was sitting.
Really?
Yeah. We're pulling ourselves back upstream and upwind and then basically resetting and setting Mark off to see what he comes up with.
I don't know how to tension it. I could go across the river pretty good, but then I didn't know how to like get upstream and upwind at the same time.
The wind and the current are both pushing against us towards the danger zone of that dam.
There was one point when a gust hit and it cooked for like 10 seconds.
Let him cook.
Yeah, I was like, dude, I'm hooked.
Do you think we can get under this pedestrian bridge?
Probably not.
Let's find out a lot faster than we're going right now.
Whatever.
That might be how we take the masts down.
We're like, you know what? Fuck this boat.
Yeah. All right, round 2. We pulled up to the start of the run and we're ready to get going again. Or are we?
Whatever the wind wants us to do.
The pedestrian bridge is the start of the run, and the underwater dam is the end of the run.
I feel like this is kind of good.
There you go. The goal is to get it going that way, but the combination of it not being a good boat and us not being good sailors is just not happening.
Turn!
Yeah, he can make the turn. The wind is pushing me good. Yeah, I'm just as much of a sailboat as him in this thing. We got so much windage here. Here comes a nice gust, see what happens to him. I can hear the gust, but you can see in the tree line, all of the wind is literally just above the masts. I'll make this one quick. I don't got an anchor up. He stalled out.
Seems like there's no wind now.
Well, to me, it's just looking like the type of vessel that needs to go the direction the wind is pushing. Mark wants to be able to fight against the wind. I'm going in reverse. Problem solved. Don't worry, everyone. Let's harass him a little bit. Is he fighting it now? Or is he just slowing his descent? No, he is not fighting it. He's just getting pushed towards the dam.
Swirl. The wind seems to be swirling and then dying.
What's up?
It's like the wind is swirling. I keep looking at this green telltale thing and it keeps changing direction.
Call it by its real name.
Windicator. Now it's coming from that way, which is kind of good because I think I should be able to go upstream a little. I think I'm actually inching upstream right
It
now.
looks like it.
Dude, I'm going upstream now.
Yeah. I take back what I said. He's fighting against the stream and the wind right now. Oh, there's a shift in the wind though. Can he compensate? Doesn't look like it. It's a synchronized dance.
I'm gonna jump back on. I'm not happy, all right? Clearly, it didn't work as good as we thought. Hoped. Yes. That's it.
We thought the masts were gonna crack in half.
When it comes to that, the mast held up perfectly. I was thinking they were gonna shatter and then come down and like stick us through the throat. That was my biggest fear. There was just too much bending going on, I think, with the dagger board and the rudders and the flexing of this, along with me not knowing what to put where at the right time, and then the wind swirling around. We tried, it just didn't work. But if you click on this next video, you'll see how we fix it all. Thanks for watching.
It's time to break this thing down and head home.